to back him down a touch. Not a lot. They have a lot of room to give up.
Brad Keselowski, I think, made a little bit of wall contact, see some damage on the 6th car. He's able to keep it going. Looks like all 4 tires still have air in them. He'll be able to nurse this home. Should stay under green flag conditions.
Under 4 laps to go. Blaney still with a sizable advantage over Larson. 1.4 seconds separating Chastain and Blaney for the race win.
Every person on this team, on this 12 team, is hoping nothing happens. No yellows, no issues in these final couple corners.
Ross Chastain wanting to end on a high note this season as he's out front by a second and a half, looking for his 4th career win. And an impressive run for Chastain today. He's already led 154 laps. This is 155 as he has just 2 laps to go.
And that's something you can stay focused on in the offseason. If we can get to that championship 4 like we were a year ago, what would that win have meant?
And you have to believe, to your point, Jeff Burton, that 12 car of Blaney has backed it off just a touch with only a couple corners left.
1.4 seconds separating 1 and 2, and about the same separating Blaney from Larson. Now, 1 lap to go, presented by Credit One Bank. Chastain looking for the race win. Blaney looking for a championship. Chastain down the backstretch for the final time. Blaney is going to run in his tire tracks. You know, winning is in his family's DNA, and Ryan has just crested the mountain of all wins. Ryan Blaney is a NASCAR Cup Series champion.
Oh, man. Thank you, guys, man. I'm emotional. Thank you, guys, man. What an awesome year, man. Thank you so much. You can always celebrate with you guys. I'll be Chris. Thanks for giving me a shot.
Flag, and he will do a lap here to enjoy what the fans are so appreciative of today. The driving that he put on. Flag's not going to survive this burnout.